Today, I challenge myself to teach you the ball out in under 6 minutes. So, let's start the timer. The ball out is a front flip off your back. And it's super easy because you don't need to be able to do a front flip to learn a ball out. In fact, the ball out is so easy that all you have to do is the following 3 steps. Step number 1, jump on your back, and when you feel the trampoline bouncing you up, kick your legs forward and try to land on your knees. Let's do it. You want to make sure that you kick your legs up and forward hard enough. Okay, once you can do this, let's move on to the second step, and that's the movement of your arms. I would say your arms are even more important than your legs, and this is what you should do. The moment the trampoline bounces you up, you want to throw your arms forward. Imagine you're at a soccer game and the ball is out. You have to throw the ball into the field again. That's the movement that you want to do at the ball out too. If you can do the arm swing and the leg kick, let's move on to number 3. Last but not least, you want to bring your shoulders to your knees and make yourself small once you feel a forward rotation incoming. And that's all you need to do for the ball out. Make sure that your chin is at your chest, that your back is round, and that you open up only when you feel the trampoline again. Okay, we still have a little bit of time left, so I'm gonna show you one more pre-exercise that you can do if you can't commit to the ball out. And this is that you want to go from your back to your stomach, and after you can do this, there's really nothing stopping you from the ball out. Now I can give you guys some tips that will improve your ball out. Number 1, make sure to throw your arms as hard as you can. This will give you more rotation and will make your ball out easier. 2, make sure that you have a strong leg kick, because this is necessary if you want to do a high ball out and maybe even a double ball out in the future. 3, what you can do is do a front flip to your back and add a ball out then. This gives you more rotation in the ball out, and a lot of people prefer to do this because they get more rotation and height like this. But in the end, a ball out is a front flip off your back. So it doesn't matter if you do it like this or like that. All right, this is how you can learn a ball out in under 6 minutes. Now it's on you to try it out. If you need help or have any questions, just ask them down below in the comments and I'll try my best to answer them. Thanks a lot for watching and staying until the end. And I will see you in the next video. Peace out. Bye.